Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to unbox and show you how to set up this battery powered video doorbell with the Chime. It's I think it's Aosu, it's pronounced Aosu. I've tested numerous products of theirs, numerous cameras. I have to say, spoiler alert, I've got the other doorbell on the garage. In fact, I can see it here on my app. I'm the last person to shut there before, and I've also got the camera here that I can just look round the garage, set it to patrol, start looking round, and that one works off a solar panel. So that just, I can set that to look round. I'm just going around the garage. I'm alerted if anybody comes to the door or anybody goes on the forecourt, so I can look straight away. Just knock that back and there's me. It was cold this morning, it was snowing too. But that's it at the moment. That's it at night. And I can talk to people if I want to. If they press the doorbell, it rings on my phone and I can answer them no matter where I am. So that's all brilliant. So we'll just knock that off and get on with opening this up. I'll try not to make a mess of it. They're always well packaged. I'll try and show you here. Make sure you can see on camera. Pull that out. Right, so there are instructions in there, but I always say that if it's plug and play, and you can't plug and play it without having to read the instructions, I don't think that's right. So we'll get rid of that. We'll put these over here just in case. There's the 4 screws to hold it on. There's the back plate. So that will clip on there like so. Now this is it. This is the bell. So we'll get rid of that too. Put that over there. I'm going to have to plug this in, I think, and probably charge it, or at least set it up. Let's see. Yeah, so that's oh, there's an SD card there as well. I need an SD card. Just one sec. I should be able to format it in the device as well, so because these will have been from GoPros. Let's see, 32. Oh, there's 128. Well, I'll just put a 32 one in for now. So put the SD card in. That's to charge it, but I'm going to use, how much charge have I got there? Hopefully I'll be able to do this before. Plug this in, and we've got a light on there. Now then, is there, right, so there's a QR code on the back. Now normally, let's just see. So here we go. That's it charging up. Powered up. That is the beeper. I'm going to plug the beeper in. So I think sometimes you have to press that. Let's have a look. So there's a plus on the Aosu app. There's a plus in the corner. So if I click the plus, ready to scan. Please scan the QR code on the device home base with your phone. So that's the QR, ready to scan.
Please scan the QR code on the device or home base with your phone.
And I've done that, and that's, somebody's just messaged me on YouTube, but it says turn on device, open the left waterproof plug, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, and that's the bottom one. So that's there. So 5 seconds.
Hello.
I hear hello. The blue lights started shing. I'm sure they mean shining. Press and hold the reset button at the bottom for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Hang on, I can't get my blooming finger. My fingers are too big for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just select Wi-Fi to be connected. It's saying here new device there. That's showing even better. But guy there, that's that. It's So I don't want to see my password, but it's showing. Continue. It's connecting. Now I'll tell you, so I've just set one of these up I've set one of the 360 ones up in my girlfriend's back garden, and it kept doing this, but then saying not connected. Now this is connected successfully, but we'd got the password wrong on the Wi-Fi. So that's it. So if it says it's not connected, check your password. So connected successfully, continue. So front door, backyard. I'm going to put porch. Done. Thinking about it. I think it's normally a little bit quicker than this. I may have confused it now because I've got it joining on my iPad and my iPhone. You'll be able to see there, look. That looks like it. Oh gosh, here we go. So free trial, that's unlimited event recording, that's for the cloud. I'm going to skip that. Skip, here we go. Now there's an advert, so I'll knock that off. So we've got video doorbell. I'm going to click play. This is my video doorbell. This is it. You can see there. It's making a noise. I'm going to turn that down. Otherwise we're getting endless feedback. But it's showing me there, look. You can see. So if I'll just turn it up a little bit, but I'm going to get feedback here. So once this is mounted on the outside, you'll hear it beep. It's picked somebody up, so it's warning me on the phone. Now, bing bong, now here. So I can speak to it. I can speak to it. And I can speak to me. Sadly, if I don't knock it off, I won't be able to record on here. So we've recorded on here. You can still see there. If you can see there you go, that's me. And now we should be able to see from here. So share device, if I want to share it with anybody, I can just click share device there and either email them, or if they're close, just kind of airdrop it. Motion detection enabled, notification settings, receive notifications via system calls, notification through message alerts, no notifications. Sometimes I've got one of these on the garage at work. And that's what happens every time. It picks motion up. So when I'm off and John comes in, that's what I get. I get that notification. So immediate mode, yes, we want that. Intelligent mode, more accurate notification will be sent as soon as the event recording is complete, with the analysis by the intelligent algorithm. By event type, staying, passing, low power, no, those will go back. Night vision, yeah, we like night vision, that's good. Night vision time each day, receive notifications. I'm going to leave it on immediate mode again. Cloud recording, facial recognition. Click that, facial recognition, activate now. Now there's that on there, it's showing that there's a firmware update. We'll do that in a second. Privacy settings, battery management, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, about, firmware device, firmware update. So click on firmware updates, check new version, upgrade now. So that's upgrading it. Background upgrade, so we'll do that background upgrade. That's great, so I can carry on. Quick start, reconnect Wi-Fi, add in Chime. What's that? Add in Chime, the new Chime plug. Add in the Chime, the new Chime, plug it into the power source and you will hear a ding sound. Well, we heard that. Press and hold the chime button for 5 seconds. It will enter pairing mode and you will hear a ding sound. Press the doorbell. The distance between the doorbell and the chime should not be too far. It will. Well, we heard it ding before. That's self-explanatory anyway. Other settings, click on there. Save events as snapshots. Yes, that's what we want to do. Because if we go back here, there we go. It's still upgrading the firmware, but you'll see face recognition is here. I'm just going to knock that off. But you'll see it's got my other cameras there, and it's also got a reminder, a timely reminder, because the reason I'm doing this video tonight is it's Black Friday tomorrow, or probably when you're watching this today, or yesterday, and there's special offers on, and you get these. There's such good value for money. I don't know how they make them for this. It's unbelievable. So there we go. There's my other two. Look, front door at the garage, and then this one with the firmware updating. I'll just. It says 1 minute remaining for the firmware. I might speed this up. I might cut this so that you don't have to wait. There we go. Video doorbell. It's updated. There we go. We'll click on play once more because it's no doubt going to start making noise when it picks me up. There we go. That's it. And I'll just do it once more. There you go, the chime. Screen recording. And it's stopped, of course. Goes on like so. Click down. And that's how you take it off like that. Brilliant. Another brilliant, well-made device. I mean, the build quality is absolutely tremendous. Thank you once again for sending it me. Send me some more, I love them. You can never have too many CCTVs, can you, or doorbells? What do you think? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.